Have you ever wanted to make a castle deck, but you also wanted to make the time and date and like year if you wanted to for some specific games, like calendars or when events happen? I'm going to show you how you make this in this video today. First, what you're going to do is create the variables. So this is basically using a new feature called date and time that was added to Castle like a few months ago. So first, let's add variables. What we're going to want is the day, the month, and the year. So we'll make separate variables for that. So once we made that, we're going to go to our text now, and we're going to make it like a normal format or the format of our choice with those variables. So basically this is what I did for this variable. And once you've done that, you can change things and whatever. Then once you have it, it should look like this. Now this is when we use the date and time. You're going to click on the variable, then you go to the logic. You're going to say when it's created, it's going to modify the variable, and we're going to start with day, and we're going to set it to this variable. Once here at the top, you can scroll down and then you will see time and date, and then it's going to be right here, current date. You're gonna click on that. Then once you got it, it says day since castle epoch. You don't need that. What we need is, because we're doing the day, we're going to click on day, and we're going to say the player because it'll be the best for the game. So it tells the exact player's date for their time zones. Then you press done, and don't make it relative. So you're going to do this for the month and the year as well. We're going to say modify variable, pick variable month, and we're going to say the same thing, scroll down, and current date, click on here, say month, and then we're going to do the one for year as well. So once you've done all that, it should look like this. So now when you press play on the card, it will say the date of your day in the person's time zone. So there's two other examples I want to show you. This is really cool because you can modify how it's shown. So let's say you only want the month and the year. All you have to do is click on the text, you go into the modifying the text, and you just take away the day and the slash. So then it'll end up looking like this, and then once you click, it'll just show the month and the year, and you can do the same for removing the year and adding only the month and the day. So then it's gonna look like this, and then you have the month and the day. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. That's how you make time in Castle. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time, and bye bye.